Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past few weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance are. Friendly reminder, Bitcoin is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video Sunday afternoon, then yeah, the chart's going to look a bit different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the first level that you really need to ask yourself, and let's just use Sunday afternoon, for example. So let's say you're watching this Sunday afternoon, is this green line here at 9,300? And the question you're going to want to ask yourself is nothing fancy, just where's the price at relative to 9,300? As long as you're answering the question that the price is still up above that level, then as far as I'm concerned, the overall chart is perfectly fine and it's a great consolidation. Meaning, even if you're watching it and the price is, let's say, down around that level, I mean, what would you still have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right there. You'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows down there. You envision those as stair steps. And overall, you still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what you want. You want to see those stair steps making progress. And that's what that 9,300 mark is representing. So again, as long as the price is above that level, as far as I'm concerned, this is as healthy as a consolidation as it gets. Now, if you are answering the question that the price is down below 9,300, the next question you'd want to ask yourself is, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 9,000? If somehow you're answering the question that the price is down below 9,000, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed, but it would be a relatively big sign of bearishness because that would imply that not only has 93 been broken below, but also both these moving averages have been broken below, and that wouldn't be a good sign. Again, does that mean the end of the world? No. Well, that certainly wouldn't, that would be a very, pretty evident sign that the bears are certain to pick up that much strength and that much more momentum. Now, on the flip side of things, maybe you're saying, well, Clay, the price is above 9,300. At that point, then, it's a question of, okay, well, where's the price at relative to this area up here at the 99, actually, let's just make that the 10,000 mark, which is the previous resistance from back here. If somehow you're answering the question that the price is now up above 10,000, well, that would just be telling you that it's been a very, very strong weekend and the chart has gotten a whole lot of upwards momentum. But even if the price is working its way in and it's up around there, that would still be a good sign. But the ultimate sign of, strength and bullishness would be if the price can get the break of 10,000. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Very nice recovery over the past few days. So it's going to be very interesting to see how this one continues to play out over the weekend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.